Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, committee and CITSM participant. On this occasion, I would like to present the result of the research we have done under the title A Business Adoption Model in Organizational Context on the TAM Extended Model. This is a preliminary assessment. This research is a quantitative study when using a survey method using respondent from small and medium business enterprise in Jakarta area. And the target respondent are the owners or top manager of these SMEs. It is important to know that the number of respondents obtained was 42 respondents because this is an initial research to test the questionnaire this attribute. The purpose of this study is to evaluate the questionnaires psychometric properties in order to understand the instrument with respect to the respondent responsiveness and cognition. The goals were the evaluation based on the interpretation of the respondent and investigation using the researcher's point of view. The agenda is introduction, theoretical framework, research method, result and discussion, and conclusion. It should be noted SMS, one of the pillar the national economy. SMS are the largest business operator with a percentage about 99% of the total national business operator and the employment up to 97%. Based on the forging, based on the foregoing, the role of SMS is very important and increase the improvement the national economic. But unfortunately, this is not followed by the use of information technology in management. This research was conducted to see the phenomenon in SMEs, whether the level of time in adoption of e-business has a good significance or not. This research is a preliminary assessment which aims to evaluate the psychometric properties of the questionnaire and understand the instrument in relation to respondent response and cognition. Theoretical framework. In this study, we used the theory of TAM by Davis in combination with a business adoption theory delivered by Zhu. Additional literature of the theory of the logic and input process output IPO, the theory of the information process model, and the theory of the process and causal model development. In conducting research, some of the literature is used as the main source, namely the theory of acceptance model (TAM) and the theory of e-business adoption. Additional theory and IPO, information process. This study combined the TAM model and the e-business adoption model in organizational context. This is the research model. On this discussing, on the existing figure, show the result of the integration model, where this research is a development of the previous model, which is an empirical study based on model that have been there before. Integration model are developed by developing and adopting a business adoption models with the technology acceptance model. A business variables consist of firm scope, firm size, PU, perceived usefulness, PE, perceived ease of use, ET, attitude toward using, and BI, behavioral intention to use. The research method, the relationship between a business adoption with TAM is related to the direction of the arrow, which a variable of a business in the organization context, which amount to variables with TAM of 4 variables. This is quantitative method study was carried out in 6 phases. The strategies carried out sequentially at the use quantitative method, which are mainly used in research. The population consists is 42 SMS company, including employers who have an interest in managing IT their respective companies. About 42 respondents were choosing to fill the survey and 10 companies to be interviewed. Data obtained from the result of the questionnaire are then sorted based on the location of the questionnaire. The questionnaire data is then processed using Microsoft Excel for processing demographic respondent and using Smart PLS 2.0 to explain the result obtained in the form inferential analysis. Methodological research start from making a model that combined with reading literature and has previously been reviewed. Then we spread the survey, and then the survey result obtained the process and made into analysis. In conducting the test, there are 2 types of tests that will be carried out. One is validity test and 2 reliability tests. Variable validity is essential in confirming a measurement model. Multiple components of variable validity include for convergent validity, discriminant validity, variable reliabilities, and variant extracted estimate are useful in establishing convergent validity. Discriminant validity is supported when the average variance extracted for contract is greater than the share variance between. From statistical analysis, it can be seen that there are 2 indicators not accepted based on the defined limitation above 0.7. The rejected indicator are FC3 and AD2, whereas for other indicator tests such as average variance extracted, composite reliability, and Kolsbach alpha also exceeded the required condition. FEE no FEE extracted 0.5 below FD3, CR threshold below 0.7, and composite assessment, Kolsbach alpha threshold is 0.7. Based on statistical analysis, a statement can be taken that the model proposed above can be seen as a model that can be utilized for the development of SMS, especially SMS that adopt information technology. The result of the positive implementation of the business adoption model integration model within the TAM model organization context when according to plan, current variables and indicator based on validity and reliability tests show that the removal of the 2 indicators, namely FC3 and AD2, is needed. Also worth considering in it is used in the sense of evaluating information system are the instruments used in this research. It is known that the 2 organization variables, FC from scope, FC from site, effect for TAM, namely TU, perceived usefulness, PA, perceived easy to use, AT, and BI, so that the impact of the influence has a positive effect on SME's growth. The result of this test provide additional information on the developed model by showing the interrelated psychometric properties. The validity and reliability tests have met above the specified threshold. This information also provides knowledge to improve the questionnaire in conducting a questionnaire test for further research. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.